Alright guys, so today is another first impressions video. So of course with first impression videos, I am starting off with naked hair. So today I'm going to be using one of the Garnier Fructis new hair masks I have been seeing all over social media. And y'all, I did not know they were this small. Like when I have been seeing them everywhere, for some reason, they just always, I guess, look big in the pictures. And that was just like the number one thing about this product is that I just did not expect them to be that small. So I went ahead and bought two just because I know my hair. This mask was 3.4 fluid ounces and I am very heavy-handed with my products. So I went ahead and bought two because I knew that one was not going to be enough. And I'm just going to kind of tell you a couple things about this product as you guys just kind of watch me work it through my hair. I'm not doing anything special to work it through my hair. I'm just working it through my hair in, small to medium sections, and I am, making sure that my hair is as close to soaking wet as possible because normally I like to apply my deep conditioner in the shower. So a couple of things that drew me to the Garnier Fructis line was, number one, my hair used to really like one of the Garnier Fructis lines when I was relaxed and transitioning. So I really had nothing, bad to say about it. I just stopped using it once I went natural for whatever reason. This product is curly girl friendly. It has a vegan formula. It has no silicones, no parabens, or artificial colorants. This particular one does have coconut extract in it. So basically, if you don't like using coconut on your hair, I wouldn't suggest this, but they have like 4 other ones, that you can try. And this product did have a lot of slip. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of felt like it had, or gave my hair the feeling that the product had silicones in it. Like, I am very familiar with the difference in my hair when I use silicones versus when I don't use silicones. And this conditioner, not only the amount of slip and just immediate moisture that it made my hair feel, but also just like, I don't know, like the film on top of my hair, it felt very similar to silicones. I really did like the product, and it is curly girl friendly, so I mean, I have nothing really bad to say about it. But especially if you're somebody who likes silicones, then you probably would really like this product because it behaves like a silicone conditioner. And I did let this product sit under or process under heat for about 20 minutes before I went ahead and rinsed it out. And this is what my hair looked like. My hair normally does get frizzy along the canopy of my hair. A lot of people's hair does that. But, it made my hair look good. I really don't have any complaints about it. They were selling it for, I think, like $2 for $7 at my local Walgreens. But if I'm being honest with you guys, that $1 deep conditioner that I used was just as good. Only this one is curly girl friendly and the other one isn't. And you kind of know how that goes with curly girl friendly products. They're going to be more expensive. It just kind of depends on what you're looking for. If you guys want my recommendation, I recommend trying it. Go ahead and try it, and if you have tried it, let me know in the comment section, what you thought. I give it like a 7 or 8. So let me know what you thought in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video.